let me see if I can make a quick video for you guys. So here is the tablet. I just plugged it in, so maybe a minute, but I have it plugged into the computer. And now I have Word open. So it's really cool if you already have like a document open. But the main option is going to be up here at Draw. And so Draw is where you can actually kind of choose, and when you click on it, you can actually click the little down arrow and you can choose your color. So if you like purple or whatever, or if you want to use black, or if you want to use a different color, then you can. So I'm using this one. You can also, by the way, choose how thick the tip is on the print. And then I also like this because I can actually make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever it is. And then you're literally, this acts just as a mouse. So you can see my mouse moving around the screen. So you kind of have to look at the screen as you're writing on the tablet, and then begin to write. Now it takes some time because you got to figure it out, and you may need to tilt the tablet like you do a piece of paper. So I'm already kind of sideways, which is why it works for me, because I typically have to tilt my tablet. And then you can blow it up, you can make it bigger, make it smaller. So if you want to write something in something really small, you can. And it does take some time. So it does act like a mouse. So when you're moving it around like this, when you write, so you'll notice I just wrote my name. So you're gonna wanna look at the screen, but write with your hand. It's weird. But the other thing is also it acts as a mouse. So if there's something that you wanna select, like say the pencil, then you're gonna go down here and you're just gonna tap. And when you tap, it selects the pencil. Now these buttons are pre-programmed. I don't know what they are, but you can program them to do things. And the blue is like, I'm connected, it's connected. But you can program to do things like delete. And then the cool thing is that I can also come up here, and again, I'm gonna use it like a mouse. I'm gonna tap, and you'll see that it makes the tapping little like swish or whatever, the dimple in the palm thing. Now I can take my eraser and I can come over here and I can go bloop. You gotta get it on there though. Bloop, 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 and bloop, and bloop. And then you can go back over here and you're gonna select a pen. You can also do a highlighter, so you can go whoop, and then you can say, okay, but then we need to do a different color highlighter. And then you just tap back up here to get that little thing to disappear, and you can use different color highlighter, and then you can go, oh wait, I messed up on that, so let's take that out. And then you can say more stuff. So this is how this would work. Let me see if I can open a Word document, and I'll show you what that looks like too.